Everyone's scared that AI is going to take their job. But here's the truth. It's not AI that replaces you. It's the person who learns how to use it better than you. Think about how every big shift in history worked. When electricity came, people said it would destroy jobs. When the internet came, people said it would ruin industries. But the people who learned how to use it, they didn't get replaced. They got rich, creative, and unstoppable. Writers who use ChatGPT to outline faster win. Creators who use AI to edit, plan, and post smarter absolutely win. It's not man versus machine anymore. It's man with machine versus man without. And history shows who always wins that fight. So don't run from AI. Learn it. Experiment with it. Use it to amplify your ideas, your story, your creativity. If that fires you up, don't scroll away. Learn something about AI today, because the future won't wait for anyone, but it will reward the people who learn first. Follow for more. We're learning this together.